Alright, you guys, in Sam's Club, look right here. We have Frankie's Organic multi-pack, 30 bags. They're popcorn. You got Himalayan pink salt and white cheddar. It is organic, non-GMO. Let's turn this bad boy around. And Drizzlicious. A lot of people say this is actually a pretty good snack to have. Only 90 calories per 21 pieces. They are drizzled and they are delicious. They're mini white rice cakes. Let me pull this one out from here. They are gluten-free, made with avocado oil, which is good anyway, with chia, quinoa, and flax. Carbs are 20 grams, but you know, we're just counting them out now. Me and my son are just counting our calories. Downy Rinse, the odor is $17.98. At $29.98 we have a Native. They have the conditioner and shampoo for $30. It's gonna be cashmere vanilla. Pampers sensitive wipes, these are $25.48. Finish, okay, it's $14.98. It's on a discount, $5 off. 6 months of washes. I mean, hey, not bad. And then next to me, Odor Brand is $10.98, which is not bad anyway, I think, because you get the large one and the spray bottle. This is back in the Sam's Club. It is $100 for the bar. They always have this one out, and it's already on a discount. So $200 off was pretty much $1,200. Perfect for your backyard fun. And $1,000 for this. Hang some lights on it. Really, really nice. Withstands up to 100-mile wind, 5-year warranty. And if you're looking for a setting place, that is a little over 3,023. The shade is going to be $70. And then here's what it looks like if you're needing a shade. And you can even use this like in your apartment or something. You know how depending on where the sun is hitting you, a lot of people have this stuff for their patio. And $12.96, the hanging flower pot, it is back. They are the same patterns though. Actually, they had a lemon one last year. I don't see a lemon in here, but maybe you could find one. The reusable water balloons, they're back. They're $29.97. You get 20 pieces in here, but if you want to try some, you might want to check out TJ Maxx and Marshalls, because they do have like a 5-pack over there. If you look in the little kid department, like gotta look for the toys. $29.97. They just like break apart when they hit you. And $59.98. This is a collapsible. This is kind of cool. On a wheeled cooler with detachable cart. See, that's kind of cool. You could just carry that on. $59.98. Homedics Warm and Cool Mist Humidifier. This is $74.98. $6.91 for the 12-gallon crate. So this one is on discount compared to Costco. You know, it's red. Their thing's gonna be red. Actually, I think it might have been like $7 or $8 in Costco. Hangers right now are $9.27 for a 50-pack. And then next to me, $59.98 on the censored trash can. It is censored. Oh, I like that. $59.98. The shop light is on discount, $17.91, $2 off. You know, I bought one of these. Did we ever hang it up?
No. It's in the garage.
It's just me. See? Because we have one for the backyard.
Oh yeah, that broke. That broke in the storm.
But that's on discount. We have solar changing wall light. This is $24.97. Up to 8 hours of light. A 1-year warranty, and you could change colors on them. Yep. Quicksilver. Okay, these did go down in price. They're $7.81, which is not bad. I did share these before. I believe they were like $12 to $10. I would get them and save it for next year. You have green and the white. Not bad for $7.81. And it looks like for men, we have the Under Armour Freedom Flag Tee. These are $17. So here's like the front. And then here's the back. So they have black, blue, a tan one, and yeah, there's your gray. And white. Now the Under Armour shorts are $17.98. And they say Under Armour underneath it. $8.91 on the quarter zip. These are Champion. Again, save it for next year for school purposes. You know, it's gonna get cool in their quarter zip. They have blue, greens, gray. The jerseys are $16.98 for adults. $16.98, and if you want one for children, $14.98. Looks like this one's for children. And this one's for adults. Let's see if I can find a picture. And Realtree are $9.98 here. These are kind of cool. I do wish these graphics though were in the back.
Yeah.
I feel like it's just too much. This one's okay, I guess, for the front. But like this one right here,
Yeah,
I feel like these should be in the back. I feel like it would look a little better and sharper.
And just like a little
Yeah.
side pocket graphic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In Hurley, the graphic tees for men are $10.98. See, there's more men. See how these graphics are in the back, and then in the front, it just might say Hurley in the corner. See, yeah, I feel like that just looks better. And the black one though has it up front. You got this one. So some options here, $10.98. There's actually more options for men in clothing than women. This is the women's table. Men have so many new items. I don't know what's going on with that, but these character like sweaters, they're $7.81. Again, save it for next year. But I just like the men has it going on right now. Ooh, oh, that's a medium. I was looking for a small in that. And we have your character towels. These are $15.98. We have Stitch, Bluey, Hello Kitty, Winnie the Pooh, and Minecraft. There's a Bluey one. That's so much fun to take with you right to the pool, the beach. You get 3 in this pack though. Look at the dinosaur one. I would pick the dinosaur. And they have the bow and a stripe one. Dinosaur, bow, and stripe. These are $12.98, and you get 3 in here. Laura Ashley, the quilt set. If you're looking for a king, it's going to be $55. Very nice. We've been finding a lot of Laura Ashley too in Home Goods as well. I mean, it is apparently quilt season, like for spring and summer. So $54.96 for a king. If you want a queen, it's going to be $45.
Which is funny because you think quilts, you think of something foldable.
Yeah. Season fries are $5.97. Those are actually kind of good. I haven't tried these, but I've tried the Arby's ones. Those are pretty good. And it looks like the queso chicken mac and cheese is on discount for $9.94, $5 off. They also have this tapatio chicken enchiladas for $14.46. If you need something really quick, I mean, you get 8 enchiladas. Barely, just bare, $15.87. So $1.01 off. It's a 3-pound bag. Okay, and then they have this organic one up here. This is $11.98 for a 2-pound. Organic prunes are $9.95. I think these ones are what my husband loves.
The medjool.
And bananas are $1.47 for 3 pounds. Do you guys want to know what I learned about the banana, which I didn't know? And I don't know if it's true. Maybe I was looking at it wrong, but somebody shared a post, and even if it's organic, so it doesn't matter, organic or not organic, they're actually gas them. I didn't know that for like the
gas the organics too. Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, what? So yeah, it had. I didn't know they did that. I was like, they do that on bananas?
You have to go to like a banana farm and get non-gas.
Yeah, non-gas bananas. Again, banana farm. Oh, you can't find that here where I live. Okay, I don't think there's anything new in dessert. We still get the same cupcakes and everything like that. Bagels are $3.98. All right, I think that's gonna do it for the Sam's Club walkthrough. SPF right here is 1667. And then down here is 44.48. Of course, you get 3 every now and then. This will be down, this will go on discount. And then 54.97. I don't see anything too new like on, let's see if soap is on discount. You get a 3-pack right here for $19.48. Sleek and Shine $17.78. That's the new one for my store. Glowing Skin, a 2-pack. They get the scrub. This is $4.41. I mean, hey, next year Christmas gift, $4.41. Buy them all. No, I'm being for real. Alright, you guys, because hygiene stuff is like when you get the shavers and everything on discount, such a good deal. We have Members Mark baby wipes here. These are $21.74. Alright, you guys, that is gonna do it. Thank you so much for joining me on this walkthrough. Please give this video a thumbs up. It does support my channel. Pushes my videos out there. It surely does help, so I appreciate everybody's help, everybody who thumbs up, everybody who views. It does help me so much. Like, you don't even know I'm putting out these videos because right now I'm supporting a student, a college student. So $22.48 right here, and this is for all your eyes. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Hey, I've seen this at TJ Maxx. I didn't really know what it was. $17.52. Wonder Belly. Yeah, but TJ Maxx and Marshalls has like their own hygiene section now. They got like, I mean, they used to have them, but now they literally have like their own, like teeth whitening, mouthwash, toothbrush, which is kind of interesting, which actually is kind of cool, because if you do live, like say you live in a small town and there's only like one Walmart, but at least you have a TJ Maxx, you know what I mean? I don't know, but it could come in very, very handy for like a one stop to get something.